Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, we'll learn about what are the different test scenarios which we can write for a export functionality. So before get to know in detail about different test scenarios for export functionality, we try to understand what is all about export functionality. Normally, the export functionality is used to export the information which is available in the database either in the form of views or in the form of tables, and that get exported. It will be in a different file format. It can be CSV format or Excel format or XML format or whatever the format you wanted to export. The export functionality will be used in the bank systems, or it could be e-commerce systems, or wherever there is a large set of data will have to move from one place to another place, then this kind of functionality will be implemented in most of the application. Because of this, as a tester, we should definitely know how this export functionality really works and what are the different test cases we should write for it. So this is how the UI will look like for the export functionality, where they will be providing what are the different options, whether export will be happening in Excel format or CSV format or a text format or XML format or whatever the format. They might give a checkbox. After selecting the type of file to be exported, then if we click on export, then appropriately whatever the purpose in which this export functionality might have implemented, it should work appropriately. It has to export the data from a particular views or a particular table into a CSV file or a XLS file or a XML file. So that is the overall functionality we should test it for export functionality. Now we will try to understand what are the different test scenarios which we can write for this export functionality. First thing we should validate here is whatever the objects available in this panel, UI panel, you should validate all the buttons, Excel button, CSV button, cancel button, export button, all the kind of fields which is available in this UI functionality, you should validate everything is working as expected. That is the first scenario, you should test it. And the second scenario is after you selecting Excel or a CSV format or whatever the format, when you click on the export button, then you should export the data from the database into the file system on the format which we have chosen while clicking on the export button. And we should verify for all different kinds of format. Another verification we should do it for exporting here is when no data is available in the database, that time we should be able to export it. That time in the file system, nothing should come into the file system. That validation or different combinations of data which is available in the database. As part of correctness, as part of accuracy, we should validate both the database and a file system to see whatever the data is coming from the table or views is replicating in the CSV file or a file which we are exporting. Next test scenario which we should verify here is log generation. This is very crucial because we are trying to export millions of records using export functionality, and we wanted to see how the operation really performed using this export functionality. In order to check that, normally we do a tailing of the log to see which operation is successful, which operation is failure.